Welcome to Study Physics. In this video, we will be solving problems of chapter 31, that is capacitors, and today's our first problem will be 33. The network I have already drawn. So what is asked in this question is each of the plates shown in the figure has surface area and some value are given on one side, and the separation between the consecutive plates is of this value. The EMF of the battery connected is 10 volt. Find the magnitude of the charge supplied by the battery to each of the plate connected to it. So what is asked is the charge supplied by the battery to each of the plates. So we have to evaluate the value of charge which is just supplied by the battery over each one of the plates. So we have to evaluate the value of charge supplied by the battery over each one of the plate. So see here in this problem, what we can say is, suppose if we call this point as X, by that time a wire is joining to this point to this point. So again in between there is no any passive or active parameter is there. So what we can say is this point is also same only. Since in this line there is one active parameter, that is the battery, so we cannot say that this point and these points are same. So this is just to understand for the beginners. So if we say this point as A, by that time we have to call this point as B. Why? Because in between these 2 points there is one active parameters, so we cannot say these 2 points are same. So what we can now do is we will have 3 points. So let us consider those 3 points. So A point is here, B point is here, and one more point is there, that is X only. So we will write it like this. Now in this question the battery is in between A and B, and the magnitude of the battery is 10 volt. So we will consider A to B, one battery is there and its potential is 10 volt. So its potential is 10 volt. This is the battery. So this potential is 10 volt, and in between A to X one capacitor is there. So we will draw one capacitor in between A to X. So we will be drawing one capacitor in between A to X. So consider this point as X. Now so we have taken this point, and again one more capacitor in between A and B. So what we can say here is, again we can write A to B one capacitor. So A to B one capacitor is there. So in this way these 2 capacitor is drawn here, and in between B to X one more capacitor is there. So we will write it like this. So we will write it like this. So now once we evaluate the equivalent capacitance in between A and B, by that time we can easily say how much is the charge supplied by the battery. That will be equals to Q is equals to C into V. So Q equals C into V. So in order to decide the charge, we have to evaluate the equivalent capacitance. Once we evaluate the equivalent capacitance, the potential is given here. So potential drop is given here. So we can product these 2 terms and then evaluate the charge supplied by the battery. And once we decide the charge supplied by the battery, we can very easily say in this question the what is asked is find the magnitude of charge supplied by the battery to each of the plate. So we can then say how much charge is supplied by the battery. So first we have to evaluate the equivalent capacity. So how we will be solving the equivalent capacitance is, see here. So in this question the area of the plate and all the things are given there. So we have to first decide the individual capacitance. All the individual capacitance will be same here. So how we will be doing is, see these 2 parameters are in parallel. So these 2 parameters will be just added. So how we can say is A to X, the equivalent capacitance will be 2C. and in between A to B for this branch, these two will be in series, means this equivalent and this part will be in series. So in order to decide A to B equivalent capacitance, what we will be doing is we will first product these two terms. So 2C into C upon 2C plus C, that is 3C only. So this will be 2C square upon 3C. So this value will be like 2C upon 3. So this is the equivalent capacitance in between A and B. So the equivalent capacitance in between A and B is 2C upon 3 only. So this is the equivalent capacitance in between A and B point. Now we have to decide the value of C from the data given in the question. So how will we deciding C is area epsilon naught by separation between the plates. So area given in this question is 96 by epsilon naught. So 96 by epsilon naught into 10 to the power minus of 12, and epsilon naught value we have to consider. So this epsilon naught, and the separation between the plates is 4 millimeter. So it will be like 4 into 10 to the power minus of 3. So this value we have taken. Now these two value will be cancelled. So it will be like 24 into 10 to the power minus of 9, and this, since this is capacitor, so we can write it farad. So capacitor will be like 24 nanofarad. So in this way individual capacitance is evaluated, but what we need is the effective or equivalent capacitance. So in between A to B, the equivalent capacitance is like 2C by 3. So how we'll be writing is 2 into 24 into 10 to the power minus of 9 by 3. So this value is like 8. So C A to B, the equivalent capacitance will be like 16 into 10 to the power minus of 9, and since this is capacitor, so we have to write farad. So in this way we evaluated the value of equivalent capacitance in between A to B. Now the charge supplied by the battery, how we can evaluate is charge supplied by the battery will be Q is equals to CAB into V. So by that time what we will be doing is 16 into 10 to the power minus 9 into the potential difference is 10 volts. So potential difference given in the question is 10 volts. So it will be like 160 nanocoulomb. So 160 nanocoulomb is going to be the amount of charge supplied by the battery. So this should be the answer for 33. So it is like in the book it is like 0.16 microcoulomb, that is same only. So this value is equivalent to 0.16 microcoulomb. So this is just equivalent. So in this way we have evaluated the answer for 33. So thank you, with request to share, subscribe, and like and comment. If something mistake is there, so please comment to so that I can correct that, and